Greetings and welcome to Cooking with the Count. Today we're going to show you a very fast appetizer that I think your friends and family will enjoy. Fast and easy to make, but a blast of flavor. Prosciutto, basil, fresh basil. You can't use dried basil for this. Mozzarella and tomatoes. A little bit of balsamic vinegar or reduction, whichever you prefer, and let's get started. It's really easy. I've got 2 pieces of basil. Of course, they're fresh. Put it across your meat. A half a slice of the fresh mozzarella, and we're going to roll this. You want your prosciutto very, very thin. The thinner the better. The thick stuff won't work for this because you won't be able to roll it, and then simply cut it in half. Toothpick to hold it together, and you can do a whole tomato if you like, or you can do the half a tomato. We've done it with black olives to finish it. And I like to put it to the side like this because then it can sit nicely in your bowl and it's easy to grab. Voila. Like I said, this is a really fast, but the prosciutto gives it a little bit of salt. The basil basil is one of our favorite herbs. So point out so you get a maximum amount of basil in the middle. Again, your cheese. Okay, so now that we've got them laid out, we're going to put this one here is a balsamic reduction. It's just a traditional balsamic. And as you can see, it's nice and thick. So it really kind of stays on it and coats everything nicely. And it's so good. And now we'll just kind of do one of these. There you have it, a very fast and very delicious appetizer that your friends will enjoy. Take a look at it if you can. I love doing this. But I have to admit, normally when we're entertaining, my wife makes the appetizers. She makes them so much prettier than I do. But anyway, they are still, no matter what they look like, they are delicious. Thank you for joining us with Cooking with the Count. I hope you enjoy this. I will put this up on the website at www.cookingwiththecount.com. Once again, if you will, please give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. It really helps me out big time. And we look forward to next time. God bless. Bon appetit. See you again soon.